Have you seen others posting Instagram stories with fun, colored backgrounds and want to make your own? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the background color when posting an Instagram story. Now let's get started. To change the background color when posting an Instagram story, begin creating a story post as you normally would. This can be starting from scratch or by sharing a post or reel to your story. Once you have the story editor open, tap the three dots at the top and select the Draw tool. Now select the color you want to use by tapping one of the colored dots at the bottom. You can swipe sideways to see more color options, or hold down a colored dot and slide your finger to choose a custom shade. Then hold down your finger in the middle of your story screen to fill the background with your selected color. If you want to add a sheer layer of color rather than opaque, you can use the highlight draw option instead. When you're finished editing the background color, tap Done. Then you can continue editing your story post with text and stickers. And tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. That's all it takes to change the background color of your Instagram story posts. Want to learn how to save your stories to your profile? Check out this tutorial about Instagram highlights. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.